Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Christmas holly wreaths and my super favourite festive heart wreaths. I'm out foraging in the garden for holly leaves and berries, rosehip berries, evergreen leaves, anything and everything that could look gorgeous for a Christmas wreath for the front door. So lovely hearing the birds singing. So we are very lucky, we've got a gorgeous big holly tree out here, but the berries are on the whole quite high up. So as you're walking around the garden, it's lovely to look out for other foliage apart from the holly that's also got berries and actually is in much more plentiful supply than maybe even the holly bushes. So there's lots of lovely varieties, rose hips, soft leaves, shiny leaves, all sorts of things. Hello girls. So we head back to the house now, armed with my gorgeous array of Christmassy branches, which I'm going to pop on the table here. Oh, just the smell of all the branches makes you feel Christmassy. I can't wait to put the tree up. So all you need is some wire. It could be that sort of wire used in electrical things or garden wire, anything really that's easily bendable and holds its shape with some movement. So make a circle and just give it a twist here and there so that it stays together but still has some nice layers to it that you can fit things between. Little twist there just to hold it all together at the beginning, and just one twist here and there, look, as you go round to keep it together, but as I say, you can still get through the layers. And then at the end, the last bit, again, just bend round so it's nicely in, and any sharp bits into the middle. And then your branches, we don't want to stop any from poking out because they look quite lovely, but chop some off, and I'm using a nylon thread which has got a slight stretch to it, which is handy. And then you literally just want to trim and shape and tie on your branches around with a few sticking out a little bit here and there, a bit feathery, almost, really lovely. And then once you've done the first layer, it's a bit like flower arranging. Choose your next layer of branch to go on top. So I've got some lovely softer round leaves to go on top there as the next layer. So you can see how I've left some of the piney branches poking out there. I'm doing the same with those, so it looks really lovely. So I'm putting the holly on top, and then you can see that these berries I'm actually adding aren't even from the holly. They're from that bush in the garden that was very plentiful. Obviously make sure you're not filling the house with poisonous berries, especially if you've got cuddly pets. And then finally choose some ribbon, because we need to be able to hang it up. And do a lovely big bow on the top. So there we go, gorgeously colourful and ready for Christmas. And then if you would like to make a really pretty heart one, it's just the same. Bend the wire in a heart and do it just the same in the layers. And that is my personal favourite. It's so pretty on the front door. For creative makes, do subscribe to Little Rose Garden Books and come back soon.